Hello friends, our question is find the all values of k from expression k plus k is equal to k into k into k. Now on solving this problem, given that k plus k plus k is equal to k into k into k, we have to all three values of k. We have to find the all three values of k. Here is default exponent 1. 1 1 b Euler rule, a to the power b into a to the power c into a to the power d is equal to a to the power b plus c plus d. Applying this law of left side, taking as a common, applying this law of right side, taking as a common, k remains in the term 1, and here is also remaining 1, and here is also remaining 1 is equal to k to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 as per rule this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 times of k is equal to k cube. K cube move to left side. 3k minus k cube is equal to 0. Taking as a common k, remaining in this term 3, and here is remaining k square is equal to 0. 3 is equal to square root of 3 square. Putting the values of 3 here, k square root of 3 square minus k square is equal to 0. B identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times of a minus b. Applying this law here, same identity, applying this law here, k square root of 3 plus minus k square root of 3 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. Square root of 3 minus k is equal to 0. Square root of 3 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. Getting the first value of k. K1 is equal to 0. Here is this move to right side. K is equal to square root of 3. And this move to right side, k is equal to minus square root of 3. Be getting that all three values of k. K1 is equal to 0, k2 is equal to square root of 3, k3 is equal to square root of minus square root of 3. Now verify all values is correct or not. The values of k1, putting main equation is k plus k plus k is equal to k into k into k. The values of k1 is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 into 0 into 0. 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Left and right side equal, then k1 is equal to 0, k is equal to 0 is the correct answer. Now another value is checking k is equal to k2 is equal to square root of 3. Putting the values of k2 in main equation is square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 is equal to square root of 3 times of square root of 3 into square root of 3. Adding 3 times of square root of 3 is equal to this into square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 square times of square root of 3. 3 times of square root of 3 is equal to this square, and this square root will be removed. 3 times of remain 3, and 3 times of this square root 3. Left LHS is equal to RHS. Left and right side equal, then k2 is equal to 3. Value is the correct answer. Now checking is k is equal to minus 3. putting main equation minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 is equal to minus square root of 3 into minus square root of 3 into minus square root of 3. Adding minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 is equal to this 2 minus square root of 3 square into minus square root of 3. Adding 3 minus 3 square root of 3 is equal to this square and this square will be removed. Plus square minus square is plus, multiply minus 3 square root of 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Left and right side equal. Then K is equal to 0, K is equal to square root of 3 and K is equal to minus square root of 3 is the correct answer of that question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.